here in the backyard. Check out this. Look how good that turned out after staying in it last week. So proud of that. Did you have a good day at school? Yeah?
Feet are on top of my booty.
Well, you just kind of flopped in there.
I can look at the trees forever.
You can look at the trees forever? Yeah, it's pretty relaxing, huh?
Shiny, so I got
Alright, so we're doing chicken drumsticks today. The girls call them chicken bones. But there's a particular seasoning, I'm not gonna name names, that I usually use. It's got a little bit more coarse grained black pepper in it, which I like, but the girls don't. Mainly that one over there doesn't really like it as much. So I got these two other seasonings. I'm gonna do a little taste test between the two girls, Blayke and Riley. I got this Heath Riles chicken rub, and I've got Osmos Dirty Bird. And we're gonna let them taste both of them, and whichever one they choose, we're gonna sprinkle these and throw them in the smoker. Okay, y'all ready? We actually just spilled this one on the counter, so I'm gonna let them try it. We just cleaned the counter like earlier today. So that's the Dirty Bird.
I like this one. It's salty and a little spicy. I like it. I kind of like it.
You kind of like that one? Okay, well, let's try this. Alright, so we got this chicken rub. Open your hand.
That's a lot. This one. Yeah, I like this one.
You like that one? That's the winner?
It's more salty. I didn't like the strawberry this one.
So
This one, I think this one tastes sweet. I don't like and this one tastes spicy.
you like spicy?
No, she wanted this one. She said this one was spicy.
So you want to do this one tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is more salty.
Or should I do it to you with this one?
No. No,
Okay.
just this one.
All right. Taste the Hazel. Taste the chicken. Like it's good. Hazel, why is your backpack so full?
It wasn't full like the one where her backpack was like this big.
Why is your backpack so full? Oh, what's in there? Turn around. Oh, there's more? Not that one. What else is in there?
No, chicken wrappers. It's like chicken.
Okay, what's in this pocket? Oh, how many more you have in there?
Hazel.
Hazel, Grace, you don't need to take all that to school. Just one. Which one?
Where you want?